Highest common factor. Today we want to look at highest common factor. Highest common factor can also be written as H.C.F. Highest common factor. So what is common factor and highest common factor? Highest common factor is among the factors of numbers. You want to choose one which is the highest. For example, when we were doing common factor, where we have 4 and 6. What are the factors of 4 and 6? They are 1, 2, and 4. Why 6 is 1, 2, 3, and 6. Here we are looking at the common factor among these. The common factor is 1, we have 1, we have 2. Here, the common factor here is 1 and 2. But the highest of the common factor is 2. The highest of the common factor is known as highest common factor. Let's take a look at this example. If you want to get a highest common factor of 2 or 3 numbers. We want to find the H.C.F, that is the highest common factor of 9, 15, and 34. If we start if we start listing the factors of 9, it will take us a long time. Or we have another method which we can use. If you like, you can list the factors of 9, list the factors of 15, and list the factors of 34. And among them, you now pick the highest of the factor, the highest of the common factor. But the method I'm going to use is you will divide each of them with the prime factor. 9, 3 will go in 9 again, 1. So the prime factor of 9 is 3 times 3, while the second number, 15, 3 can go in 15, we want to 5 again, 1, which is 15 will give us, you multiply this together, that is your prime factor, 3 times 5. And the last one we have is 34. So 34, 2 will go in 34, that is 17, and apart except 17. So 17, 1. Here we have 34 equals 2 times 17. Here, if we want to look at the common factor here, we don't have common factor. We want to look at this example. We want to find the H.C.F, the highest common factor of 18, 24, and 42. We will divide using their prime number and using prime factor like this. 18, which is the first number, we divide using prime number. 2 in 18 is 9, 3 will go in 9, 3 in 3, 1. So the factors, prime factor of 18 are this, that is 2 times 3 times 3. The second one, which is 24, the second one, which is 24. We divide 24 using prime number. 2 will go in 24, 12, 2 will go in 12, 6. What will go in 6? That is 2. 2 will go in 6, 3. What will go in 3? That is 3. 3, 1. The prime factor of 24 are 2 times 2 times 2. 2 in 3 places times 3. I have written this thing out. This is what I'm writing here. And the last one, which is 42, we do the same thing for 42, which is 2. 2 will go in 42, that is 21. What will go in 42 and what will go in 21? 3. 3 in 21, that is 7. What will go in 7? 7. 7 in 7, 1. In 42, that is the prime factor are 2 times the product are 2 times 3 times 7. Here we now want to get the factor. So the factor here, the factors are what is present here, what number is here that is present here, and also present here. We have 2, 2, 2. So the common factors now, we have 2, we bring out 2. The highest common factor is, we bring out the common, which is 2. This is common, this is common here. So these 2. The second one, we have 3 is here, 3 is here, 3 is here. So we can pick the 3. 1, 3, that is times 3. You multiply it together, that is 6. That is your highest common factor. Let's take a look at another example. We want to find the H.C.F of 216 and 288. And to do this, let's make use of the method we used in the first example by dividing using our prime number, or you call it prime factor, which is 216 is the first number. What will go in 216? 216, 2 will go. 2 into 1, in 1 is 0. 1 will add to this one, making 16. 2 in 16, that is 8. What will go again? 2. 2 in 10, 5. 2 in 8, that is 4. 2 can still go. 2 in 5, that is 2. 2 remainder 1, that is 14. 2 in 14, that is 7. 3 can go. 3 will go in 27, that is 9. 3 can go here, that is 3. And 3 go here again, 1. So if you multiply all this through, if you multiply all this, it will give you 216, which are the prime factors of 216. So the product now, I want to write them out. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 again times the last 3. That is the prime factor of 216. But 288 now, for 288, 2 can go. 2 here, 144. 2 here, 1. 2 in 8, 4. 2 in 8, 4. 2 in 14, that is 7. In 4, 2. 2 can still go. 2 in 72, that is 2 here, 3. Remainder 1. 2 in 12, 6. 2 can still go. 2 in 3, 1. Remainder 1. 2 in 16, that is 8. 2 can still go. 2 in 18, it will give us 9. 3 can go. 3 here, 3. 3 can still go again. 3 here, 1. So the prime factors, the product of prime factor of 288 are 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 3? That is 2 times 3 times 3. Now we want to look at the H.C.F. How are we selecting the H.C.F? You bring out the common numbers, which are 2 is common here. 2. You multiply them out, the common factor. 2 is here, times 2. Another 2, times 2. No more 2 here again, but there is 3. You have 1, 3 here. There's another 3. Another 3 can still match another 3. So we multiply this out to get our H.C.F, which is 72.